Stoneridge Electronics is a Tier 1 supplier for the automotive and the commercial vehicle sector. We supply products for most of the commercial truck brands in Europe. The product is a camera mirror system for Volvo trucks. It's meant to replace the rear-view mirrors. The main challenges for this product was the security aspect of it. It needs to be always working, it can never break.
Automotive industry has really high requirements, and especially this product, it's a safety product. We are replacing physical mirrors with a camera and a display unit. Second aspect is that this is very close to the driver, so the cosmetical requirements are really high that we have to meet.
We started working with Hop from the very beginning. They have always been a very reliable partner, always finding the best solution together with us. It's not necessarily a customer, but more a partnership relationship.
We have delivered an automated press fit solution for the display unit, and the Kuka robot that we have used is automating the quality inspection.
For this project, we approached Hop with a problem statement and asked them to find the best possible solution.
It's always great to get requests from Stoneridge because they are well prepared. They have high expectations for automation supplier like we are.
Hop approached us with a couple of different solutions, and we tested out some of them to see which one works the best. Together with Hop, we prototyped a couple of different solutions to find what works best for our application.
It was quick to implement, and I think it has given even better accuracy than expected.
The machine qualification process showed that the equipment is functioning as expected, and this was very good for us. We didn't have to go through other iterations. The CMS project was a challenging one for us, as there are a lot of components, a lot of parts that we need to execute all of them. And Hop came through with helping us take some of the workload off of us.
I think I'm really, inside I feel warm when I see a Volvo truck driving on the highway without mirrors. So the mirror replacement is done by us.
Hop has been a reliable partner for us and continues to do so in the future.